I'm Ramone CASBORN, born and raised in New Orleans, Louisiana. My role on the project: founder, creator, and developer at CASBORNSTuDios. CASBORNSTuDios serves as the idea think tank, producing unique, immersive 3D NFT DeFi game asset experiences, all deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. My personal passion goal is to create a fun NFT game designed to inspire, educate, and develop creative thinking skills, unlocking the millionaire mindset potentials one artist at a time in scale. The project's what? My creative team and I are in Q3 R&D stage on INITIATESINBATTLE, a fun, new, innovative, strategic thinking, immersive, play to learn and earn iNFT game. The game's philosophy: it's designed to eliminate self-hate, envy, jealousy, selfishness, and cynicism by creating a real inner self-love to produce outer love for all humanity. I believe through self-discipline, thought, flow, happiness, self-esteem, and mental toughness from ongoing competitive battles in esports XR/AR gameplay, this will create a new, confident self-image in each user and player.